But a great product isn't just it. Distribution matters. Access matters. Trust matters. And that's where Flipkart comes in. Because Flipkart isn't just a platform, it's an ecosystem with scale, credibility, and a deep-rooted understanding of Indian consumers that is completely unmatched. Few platforms understand the nuances of Indian consumption the way Flipkart does, which is where we come in. We are an organization that has built one of the most trusted digital ecosystems in India, covering all regions from metros to the remotest corners of the country. What Flipkart brings to the table is not just reach, we bring relevance. We bring logistics that can deliver tech to the doorstep of millions of consumers, financing tools that make ownership possible and not just aspirational. A platform that understands Tier 2 and 3 India as much as it does the urban centers. This launch is a perfect intersection of ideologies, of AI+ bringing in the right product and Flipkart delivering it with trust and access at scale. I believe it's a marriage made in heaven. This launch resonates with trust, something that really matters to the first-time smartphone buyer. We believe this launch sets a new precedent. It showcases that the future of smartphones in India is about raising expectations at every price point. Why should the consumer compromise at any price point? Why should there be a trade-off? That is the question we ask today. This is a moment of mindset shift, changing how consumers think about what's possible and what's within their reach. This is a pivotal moment, we feel, because when you give millions of people access to intelligent, affordable technology, you don't just create consumers for yourself. You create participants in the digital economy. You enable education, employment, and empowerment. And that's how you build a stronger, more secure, and self-reliant India. To everyone who believed in this vision and built towards it and brought it to life and is present here to support us, thank you so much. And to the millions of Indians for whom this phone was created, we see you, we believe in you, and we are bringing this to you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nidhi. I think it was wonderful. And yes, we also believe in this vision, this partnership. I believe there's a partnership which aligns with the vision, which is what Google Cloud, Mr. Shashiji said, that making it democratized towards India, how we can have a societal benefits, how UTL is helping us to share that particular thing in building it in India, how Flipkart is helping us to make sure that reaches to every length and broad across India with all their data points on what would the consumer need and how we can democratize devices. Why would a consumer need to compromise at a particular price point? And that is what always has been a Flipkart's DNA. And that is what has also been our thought process. That why should we buy a phone which has to be dealing with a broken devices and which can always be frustrating. Hence, we have developed an ecosystem of service centers. We have created a human-centered support system, trained professionals within over 280 Indian cities, offering remote diagnostics and real-time updates. Yes, services are across length and breadth. You can expect to get AI+ service at all the service centers across India, which will be available. The details will be available on our websites. And now for the moment we have been waiting for. So let's talk about the AI+ smartphones. Any guesses how many devices we are launching today? No, probably four or three. I think you only participate when I give the giveaways, right? So I think the most important thing, no, we'll be launching 4 devices today. Yes, we are not launching 2 but 4 devices, 2 smartphones and 2 from the ecosystem devices. While happy to announce today that we are launching 2 series, which is Pulse and Nova 5G, both available in 5 different colors. 5 beautiful colors, which is pink, green, blue, purple, and you can see the design, uncompromised, glass finished, and extremely sharp. Extremely, you can say it's worth to hold it. Why should we compromise at any single price point a design? Why should we compromise on colors at a particular price point? Why should we compromise, like what Smriti said, a particular price point on performance also? So all this AI Pulse is built for your everyday performances. Yes, with AI Plus Nova 5G, the second device is engineered for a high speed, high intensity use. But yes, they are high performance, very honest pricing. I've heard honest pricing back in 2017 also. But yes, I'm starting it again, this journey of honest pricing. High performance, honest pricing, and no compromise. I think that's where we wanted to do it. But both the models share the same level of commitments. I would not like to go diverge into too much of the specs, because people may commit you, or the brands may commit you the specs going up to the camera, going up to the moon, but probably they are all hardware and software which are put together. I'm trying to give you the best of the device, which is at that particular price point. Launching the first device, which is Pulse, which will be having T615 best Antutu score at that price point, which is going to be 262K. And as well as Nova will have the first time P8200 chipset with an Antutu score of around 501K, highest again in this price point. While both the devices would be powered with 50 megapixel dual AI camera. 1 TB expandable is never seen in this particular price point. 5000 milliamp hour battery, SD plus displays, and with a refresh rate of 120 Hz for Nova and 90 Hz for Pulse. And by the way, I'm not compromising on 3.5mm jack as well. 3.5mm jack is not been compromised. With 18-watt fast charging support and charger in the box. With Android 15 version out of box, it would be powered by Next Quantum OS. Speaking about the Next Quantum OS, you also get on all these devices the data encryption, which was ATM panel, Google Cloud India regions. All your data will be protected over here. Next privacy dashboard. Next Safe Space app, yes, where you can save your data from your any hackers across. Next Move app, and first and foremost, no bloatwares, and a community for the developers to come across and contribute towards this particular thing. Well, I didn't want to compromise on any of the specs and prices. Hence, we'll go also on one thing which was extremely important, is the storage. So both of the devices, which is Pulse and Nova 5G, let me start with Pulse. Pulse will come with 2 RAM-ROM options. One is starting with 464 and 6128, while Nova will start from 128 and 8128. Again, this is going to be the first time in this particular price point somebody would have given a complete device like this. Reiterating again, a 50 megapixel dual AI camera, 5000 mAh battery, fast charging support, 1 TB expandable, less of the performances, 3.5mm jack as well, high RAM ROM, everything at a particular price point. So, any guesses for the price for 464 for the Pulse? Which is already there on the screen. Yes, this one will happen. 6128 will be priced at 6,999. Why? Nova will be priced starting at around 7,999. And 8,128 will be priced at around 9,999. These are the complete devices, and again, this will be available on Flipkart, Shopsy, and Flipkart Village to begin with. But yes, we are Indians and we love our discounts. And we have a special offer only on the first day, which is going to be the flash sale, happening on July 12th. for the Nova and July 13th for the Nova for 12th and Pulse for 13th, I believe, yes. So this is going to be there. It's going to be a 500 rupees paid discount for the first sale, and it's going to be rather than 4,999. The first day offer would be around 4,499. Yes, and 699. While these are the offers only for day one, as I said, we want to make the devices affordable. The first sale of Pulse will start from 12th of July, and first sale of Nova will start on flash sale on 13th of July, 12 noon onwards. While we all know that the phones will be available on Flipkart, how can I forget the retail partners who have been extremely instrumental in building this industry? Retailers have built the smartphone movement in India. Yes, one customer, one conversation at a time. So with AI Plus, we are giving them more than a product. We are giving them a platform. We have invited more than 12,000 retailers from across India to join our network. We are launching direct to retail program. What does that mean? So retailers can buy directly and straight from our website very soon. Which will be no middlemen, faster fulfillment, better margins. And yes, you can see the excitement already rolling out in India. There have been more than about 1,000 videos shared by the retailers showing their excitement across the AI Plus as a brand. And I am extremely thankful and supportive for the support which they have given to us. And yes, the bulk orders will also come with full 18% GST benefit. It's a new way to partner with the people who have always made the difference. I have spoken enough today, but what's next? Any guesses? But because we are building a sovereign ecosystem, means thinking beyond one device. It means thinking about every moment in your day. How can you move, connect, learn, and take care of yourself? We are introducing two categories today, which is watch and earbuds. Technically, yes, we are launching two categories. Because I've always believed in connected ecosystem. But why should I launch two products? Why both of them cannot be one? We designed it in India, patented it in India, built it in India. We are making it more convenient for our customers. And what's more is we are combining two products into one category. Our ecosystem will be named as AI Power. And that is where we'll be putting our entire ecosystem co-branding with AI Plus. While AI Plus will be our smartphones, AI Power will be powering our AI Plus ecosystem. Yes, speaking about the ecosystem, I am excited to share a preview of our wearables. And I am proud to say that we have filed the utility patent for this innovation. It's been my goal to beat this particular thing for the launch of a product to shape the blueprint for what Indian innovation should be called upon, which is smart, secure, and built to serve. Hence, this is the design which we have designed in India, patented in India, and we are proud to showcase that this is the product which was supposed to be developed in India. It features 1.43-inch round HD display on wrist, long charge battery life, heart rate monitoring, built-in music player with 4 GB of flash storage, and even call and message alerts. It's called features which are real-time translation, face-to-face interpretation, and a built-in ChatGPT for life, with your AI assistant always by your side. Yes, it has got multiple other features which any other normal smartwatch would have it, which is the one which I am wearing it. But it is one of the most convenient and practical device which I believe it is that you do not have to carry two devices. Now you can carry one device and you can still experience the buds along with the watch. And yes, this is something which we believe in it. This is just like AI Plus is designed with privacy first, architecture and intelligent performance at its core. This will be coming soon in August, but probably will be more expensive than the phones. Yes, phones, wearables, secure storage, developer ecosystem, building India together, connecting India together making it democratized, having the similar thought process people in one room. That is what we call as building a brand for the nation, building a platform in India which we can trust. And yes, we are just getting started from here. India, as we said, is the world's largest smartphone market. 650 million people in India use smartphones, and we are expecting to have more than 1 billion users in the next 3 to 4 years. And yet, no Indian brands have been successfully scaled up globally from last 1 decade. With the current market share also in India being less than 3%, and this limited share may have a very reason which we do not need a wallet or detailed discussions around it. But if we truly want and believe that India has to be a leader in deep tech, now is the time to take the step forward. We believe that this is a signal which we are sending. We are creating a brand from India that is ready to be introduced to the world. And this is what we believe in it, a stronger partnerships, a deeper partnerships. Thank you very much once again to Flipkart and Google and entire team who is sitting over here for making this possible. And also I would like to thank upon Vikash, Manish and everyone who is sitting across over here who has supported this particular vision, and my entire team who is standing across. This is how